today let's discuss antithesis. Again, let's clarifying that antithesis is a literary or rhetorical device of placing two contrasting ideas side by side or one after the other. So here are more examples. So for example, you see, give me liberty or give me death. The contrast between liberty and death intensifies the speaker's commitment to freedom. Liberty or death. So that's antithesis. Here's another example. Love is an ideal thing. Marriage, a real thing. Here, the abstract love is contrasted with the practical marriage, highlighting the difference between the two. Love is the ideal thing. Marriage is the real thing. Sometimes the practicality of marriage breaks down love. So there's contrast there. Here's another one. That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. Small step, giant leap. These antitheses emphasizes the magnitude of the achievement compared to the physical action. So this is antithesis, a literary device that puts two contrasting ideas one after another.